Many people are surprised when they hear that I've never had a real artist studio. How do you live with the chaos? Don't you end up with paint on everything? You can't run an art business out of your living space. These are just some of the comments and questions I hear all the time. It's a lifestyle I've loved for almost 3 decades across a few different homes. But right now, this current space is about to face its biggest challenge yet. In just a few weeks, we have to completely empty this unit for a major forced renovation. And while the contractors are doing the actual packing and moving, the mental and physical task of organizing this live-work space into a shutdown is entirely on me. If you've seen my videos, you may recognize this wall. This is where the magic happens. I paint and run my art business inside this 1,000-foot condo space that I share with my husband. Art is my life, and I've always had my studio space in my home. It's convenient, and I really like the fact that I don't have a commute to deal with. We moved into this condo 16 years ago. After living in the suburbs for much of our lives together, my husband and I were itching to move into the city as we both love the high-energy excitement of city life. He has his own web design business in downtown Toronto and was battling a sometimes 1-hour commute each way. This beautiful condo space appeared at the right time, so we jumped on it. My husband now walks to his office, and I walk about 3 steps to my studio. My art business has changed over the years. I don't do any summer art shows anymore as I can't handle the extreme weather, and my paintings are now exclusive to one local gallery in Midtown. Creating this YouTube channel has given me a whole new way to share my art and supplement my art business. Right now, I'm in the thick of tidying and organizing my studio space and our whole unit. If you watch my video, Artist at 68, The Messy Middle, and a Home Studio Flood, you may remember that months ago, our dishwasher broke down in the middle of the night. And while we slept, our kitchen area and our hallway and some of the second bedroom, which is also my workspace, flooded out. As my husband left for work in the morning, he noticed water seeping out from under the wood flooring. At the time, I was preparing for a group show with my gallery and recording the process for my YouTube channel. What a fiasco! Painting for the show, recording and editing the videos, and dealing with insurance inspectors and getting quotes from contractors. You can see it all unfold in my playlist, Luminous Growth, The Studio Sessions. I'll link that for you on the screen and in the description. So after 4 months, we were finally getting a timeline for the repairs that need to be done. Essentially, we're having all the flooring and cupboards replaced. Because it's an open space concept, we decided to have the bedroom flooring done as well, so the flooring would match throughout. So the work will take about a week, and we have to vacate while it's being done. Yeah, it's stressing me out a bit. It is incredibly frustrating to have to do this, to have it all packed up and leave and live somewhere else for a week. That's what we were told, that it takes about a week or so. Of course, now I'm hearing stories about home reno disasters and it taking much longer. I was getting way too stressed about it all, and I realized I have to change my thinking. So I'm putting a positive spin on it now. I have to. I'm telling myself that it's an upgrade to our home. A forced upgrade, maybe, but essentially we'll have a new place when it's all done. So the sorting and the organizing continues. Next up, I have to tackle the living part of this live-work space, our personal belongings, and find a place to stay for our staycation. If you've ever survived a home renovation or had to pack up a creative space that you love, please let me know in the comments how you got through it. I could use all the tips and good energy that you've got right now. Thank you so much for being here with me in my studio space, and I'll see you in the next video.